ask?
Sir,
Recording in
I
progress.
want
Yes.
to ask that we have to send this to you or not?
Yes, yes. I will give you the email ID. To that email ID, you have to send. Okay. And
Today
for,
itself?
of course, today itself. And I think 10 minutes sufficient. 10 minutes is sufficient for this revision test. And questions are really very easy. And I think all of you will score 5 out of 5.
So only 5 questions?
Only 5 questions. Only. Okay. Arham Jain. Arham, I think, is okay.
Yes, sir.
Vanshika, you are not visible. Where are you? Vanshika, Tirth Baradia, don't turn off your camera. No, 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 no.
Sir, my camera is on.
Now I can see, but I don't know what happened just few seconds ago. Okay, Divya is visible
Sir,
now. If
Sir,
any,
in match the following. Sir, in match the following, can we write the first part? Like, I have seen any new movie. I have not seen any new movie, and then the correct answer of that.
sure, sure, definitely. That is the right way, and every child should follow this.
Question.
Your voice was not proper. Tell me again.
Sir, please show first question.
You can zoom it better. Let me zoom it. Okay, now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Sir, because there is question.
And please show question number 4.
Asking for showing question number 1.
One by one, one by one. Yes, Tirth Mehta.
Sir, please show the
मैच द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन लिखे आई एम नॉट उसके सामने डैश करके सिंपल जिसका वो उसका लिखे
Ah,
तो
oh, yes,
present
yes.
perfect के जैसे
Okay. You can do like this way. If you don't want to draw lines, you can write the correct answer just after the sentence.
friend. Yes, sir.
Carry on. And this is the same, same query from everyone. So don't ask again and again. Carry on with your answers. Again, I can see.
Sir, anyone is singing song?
Actually, that is me. I'm a good singer. Yeah. Yes.
Sir, I can't write third question's answer in the same line.
Third,
So can
identity.
I write in
ऐसे
in
थर्ड
downside?
सामने डैश करके वो लिख दे
Sir,
Ah, okay, no problem. No problem.
Correction लिख सकते हैं क्या?
Sir, Kushal is talking in Hindi.
Yes, Kushal.
Sir, we can write only correct option in for second and third question.
Yes, you write the question and write the answer. Correct answer. No need to write all these options.
Yes, sir.
But I would like to tell you, you should take screenshot because options are, if you are not writing these options, you should keep the record of these options. Kushal,
Sir, I had taken 3 screenshots of. Sir, I have taken a screenshot of 1, 2, and 3.
yes, I will scroll it down so you will be able to take another screenshot. Kushal Parak, what happened? You are not writing?
सर आई एम
Unmute.
राइटिंग
But I think you are talking with someone. I don't know who is that. Vanshika, where are you? Vanshika Sada, you are not visible.
Sir, what you said?
No, I didn't say anything with Mehta. Vanshika was not visible. Now she is there.
Sir, because your voice is breaking.
What thing?
No, sir, it's very clear.
That is internet glitch. That is internet glitch. Nothing can be done.
Always glitch is glitch.
Arihan Duggar, Deshna Jain, Tani Bothra, Arya Gulcha. Turn on your camera and yes, I think you are writing the answers. Arihan Duggar, Deshna Jain. Give me response, otherwise I will give you less marks in listening and speaking. Seriously.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You will be at the bottom.
but how we'll know how much marks did we get in this exam?
I will show you.
Question number B is coming in quiz. Come in quiz. Came.
Yes, yes, yes. So give correct
Quiz
answer.
came in quiz.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
in B, can I write, I think they, the correct answer and then the holiday homework? I'll not write the options.
Okay, no problem. If you write the complete sentence, it looks nice. Okay.
Sir,
Right.
I'll write the complete sentence. In the blank, I'll write the correct answer.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I'll not write the options.
Okay, that's good. Now, let me zoom out so that you can see question number D. And question number D, there is a table. You have to create the table and you have to fill it up. Okay, as you can see, 3 forms of verb. Somewhere I have given the form, so you have to fill
Sir,
other
can
blank.
we do like that? On filling the blanks, there will be on second fill in the blanks. We will put any fill in the blanks option and complete. If we-
You can
we
write
want-
the complete sentence and the answer you can underline. Okay, whatever the answer is, you can underline the answer, the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number A is completed. I hope it
Yes,
is.
sir. A, B completed.
Okay, those who came late, those who joined late, I think they are not done.
Sir, can we take screenshot and write only answers?
No, question, you have to write questions. You are becoming so lazy. Some lazy koala ban rahe ho. Okay.
Sir, in C, can we write the question and then answer लिख के फिर उसका correct answer?
For question number C, you can directly write the correct answer because of, you need to identify.
Yes, sir. Thank
But don't forget to give the option number 1, 2, 3, 4. Roman 1, 2, 3, 4.
So,
Yes, Manya.
sir, I wrote answer and then I was writing the correct.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Carry on. Saksham, you are late.
Sir, I am writing the correct option like fill in the blanks.
Sir, my handwriting is very small.
Make it large. It doesn't take money
Can
from
you
you.
zoom my handwriting?
Beta, first you finish these questions, okay? Then I will have to tell you the answers also.
Oh, so sir, we'll check by ourselves only.
First you will check by yourself, but then you will send me also. Okay? No, it is
After
proof.
checking.
Yes. After checking, you will have to send. That is your, proof. Arham Jan, camera is off. Turn it on. Saksham, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Shall I scroll it down? Because there is question number
sir.
E also.
जो क्वेश्चन है उसका डायरेक्ट नंबर 3
Rehan, your voice is not proper.
Sir, please scroll down.
Yeah, sure. Just a minute.
So, I'm writing the notes and I'll send you as soon as I complete.
Sir, you had uploaded notes on portal.
Yes, yes. You can download and write down.
Sir,
So, we have to
Sir,
make
please
the table.
scroll down.
What?
Sir,
So, we
please
have to make the
scroll down.
table also.
Tirth Mehta, first you finish this, then we will talk on the other topics. Okay.
sir said by Tirth Baradia.
Yes, sir.
सर मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं, तीर्थ बराडिया ने बोला.
You asked
So,
notes
please scroll
uploaded or
down.
not. Yes, yes, you can see the question number E. You can zoom it.
Yes, sir.
So the question number E is find the sentence which is grammatically incorrect. Not correct, incorrect. So be careful. If you find the correct sentence, no mark. No mark you will get.
So, in the writing skill, it
Sir,
is
we will cut in.
of tens.
If you ask together, how can I understand? Yes, Manya first.
In test, it will only come of tens only.
Tense, and there will be comprehension. That means there will be a passage, unseen passage, and on that passage there will be 5 questions. MCQ objective. Got it?
Excuse me.
Question is of reading skill.
Literature, yes. The story I will ask you to read, and I may ask you question on that story. That 3 questions. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in question number D. Sir.
Question
sir,
number
in question
D.
number D. Sir,
Yes.
in question number D, I can write मतलब बाय के बाजू में लिख सकता हूँ कि अलग से लिखना पड़ेगा.
Speak in English, na? Acha, see, it is very simple thing. You make this first as it is. How you see, you just make it in your copy, then fill it. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Full screen mode. Now I think this will help you.
Sir, this is okay.
So I can see that it is 11:40. Okay, 20 minutes. You are taking too much time, my dear fellows. You know, you should finish it within 10 minutes. Max to max. Yes.
How to send you?
So I'm sharing the email ID. Okay. Yes, this is the email ID vjvenglish@gmail.com. vjvenglish@gmail.com. Send. Yes. Yes, Manya.
Sir, nothing.
Kushal, completed?
Sir,
Yeah, yes.
सर जो लास्ट वाला नंबर ई इसमें से हम लोग को जो भी सेंटेंस इनकरेक्ट है वो लिखना है.
Exactly. There are 3 correct sentences and 1 incorrect. So you have to find the
Sir,
incorrect.
please zoom question number E.
I have to write only
Please zoom question number E.
Yes, you can write only incorrect answer, no problem. For question number E. Done?
Sir, I forgot to write broken in the.
You can add one more row and you write, no problem. And write
the
at the
order
bottom.
is important or not, because I wrote.
No, that is not that much important. But
Okay.
it is important to solve all these questions. Okay.
Sir, anyone
Yes.
is singing more time.
That is me. Yes, learning is fun. Take it as a fun. Enjoy the learning. You will never ever forget. You will never ever forget anything when you get fun in the learning. वाह क्या बात है, गाना बन गया. हाँ, so सिद्धि.
Sir, you are singing in.
You singing sense.
Siddhi Oswal, your camera is off. Okay, now I can see. Adi Jain, I can see a big A, but you are not A. Now I can see.
You are singing nicely.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, my dear student. Tirth Baradia, your camera is off. Why it is so? Tomorrow, no one will.
Sir, because I was making the PDF of my answers.
Okay, then it is okay. In exam tomorrow, you all of you have to सबको कैमरा ऑन रखना, ठीक है? आर्य गुलशा, ऐसा मैं कह सकता हूँ क्या? Can I say this? Oh my God! I wanted to say you can't turn it off. Arya Gulsha, is everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Well, now I need to tell the answers because you know you are taking too much time.
No, sir, wait a minute.
Please,
But
please.
we have
Please
only
tell answer.
15 minutes.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes. Sir, you
And
said
I
that is
need
why it
to-
is taking so much time.
I need to explain also. That's why I think I must start saying answer.
Please wait.
Sir, I sent.
Okay, very good, very good. Nice.
Please tell answer.
Yes. Arihan Duggad. Okay. Arihan Duggad. He has birthday tomorrow. Very nice. Birthday के दिन test. All the best. फिर rhyme हो गया. Birthday के दिन test in advance. Okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow you should wish. Yes. Shall I start saying answers? Oh my God, you have only 15
Yes,
minutes.
sir. Yes,
No,
sir. Yes, sir.
I need to explain you now. That's why I need time. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
and the questions of test will be very, very hard. You will be serious.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So let me tell
are
you.
speaking like foreigner.
Yeah, I want to copy their accent so that I can speak like them. Yeah. So let me start. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Match the column. I have not seen any new movie. Which tense it is? Tell me.
Present perfect.
Present perfect.
No need to draw on the screen. Just a minute. Yes.
So present
This
perfect.
is present perfect tense. Yes. Very good. Next. He was playing chess.
Sir, past continuous.
Continuous.
Very good. Very good. Nice. They have been reading stories for 2 hours.
Present perfect continuous.
Present perfect tense.
Present perfect
Continuous.
continuous. Do you know him? एक ही तो बचा. Simple present
Yes,
tense.
sir.
Okay. So you can give all correct. Then give 1 mark. If it all correct, then give 1 mark. And if only 2 are correct, then give half marks. Okay? Okay, half mark for 2 correct answers. Next, I think they dashed the holiday homework.
Have
Sir,
completed.
they have completed.
What?
Have
Completed. First
They have
option.
completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the correct answer is
complete.
they have
Sir, can
completed.
we give 1 mark?
Sure. If it is correct, give yourself 1 mark. The right
One
answer
mark
is yes, the right answer is they have completed. Next, C. Identify the future continuous tense. Yes, which one is future continuous tense?
She will be preparing food for us.
Preparing food for us.
Yes, so my dear students, I think सभी tense का structure याद होगा. Future continuous tense. What is the structure? Subject plus
Subject
shall
plus
will.
plus verb plus ing plus
But we
subject.
have the और एक चीज है be. We have to use be. Then verbs ing form plus object. So this is the structure of future continuous tense. Subject shall will be, verbs ing form, then object. So now tell me which one is correct answer. Question number C.
Sir, she will be preparing food for us.
Yes. She will be preparing food for us. This is absolutely correct answer. In other sentences, there is no ing form of verb. That's why those are not future continuous tense. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many of you have got 3 out of 3? Raise your hand.
Sir,
Tirth Mehta.
Sir, Tirth Baradia.
Sir Kushal.
Okay, very good. 3 out of 3 till now. 2 more questions. Let us see. We have 10 minutes. Oh my God. Now I need to clean my screen.
Let's go down.
Yeah. Next question.
Please scroll down.
Yes. Now here it is. Let me. Yes. Buy.
Sir, buy bought.
Buy what?
I bought. The spelling of bought.
BOUGHT.
OUGHT.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sort of 100% sure.
BOUGHT. Bought.
Your spelling is wrong. We have to cut it up the mark.
4 spelling mistakes, half marks. So, okay, don't cut right now because this is the first spelling. Okay, buy, bought. Next, broken.
Broken.
Break, broke.
Broken.
Okay, the spelling of break. 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 यही वाला spelling.
Yes, sir.
ROKE. BROKE. Broken.
PRO. Break, broke, broken. Correct. Okay, next.
Taken.
Taken. Yes, next.
Send.
Yes, and this is the verb I'm so surprised that sometimes you write sended. Oh my God, there is no word like sended. Okay, so don't forget, my dear students, send, sent, sent, send, sent, sent.
Correct.
Send the same.
That's
Yes.
correct.
Next,
Sir,
bring.
the sent one is so confusing. Someone write sent.
Yes, I have found that many students write sended. OMG, this is absolutely wrong.
Sir, bring, brought,
Bring,
Brought.
BROUGHT. Bring, brought, brought. Yes. Yes, and now the second last is very tough, very, very tough.
Sir, put.
Yes, and don't say putted. Okay.
Sir,
People,
I have give answer. Put.
yes, very good. Next,
Given.
Give,
Given.
give, gave, given. Achha, now tell me one thing. Yes, my dear student. Now tell me one thing. In which tense we use verb second form? In which tense we use verb second form?
Sir, continuous.
No.
Sir, perfect.
No way. Wrong.
Sir, pass.
We use
Continuous. Pass.
no continuous ing form. Come
Sir,
on.
pass.
Or continuous, always we use ing form.
Sir, pass.
Second form is used in simple past. Simple, yes. Simple past के लिए सिर्फ only for simple past. And now let me scroll it up and show you. See, you are not.
Sir, E.
Yes, question number E, definitely. Yes, question number E. Which one is correct option?
E also it's 1 mark.
1 mark. For if you have written all the verb forms correctly, then 1 mark. Find the sentence which is grammatically incorrect. Which one is incorrect?
Fourth.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Last one. Yes,
Why?
I hope he had gave, sorry. I hope he had gave the notebook to you.
No, beta. See, matlab,
No,
Gave
sir,
is-
had will not come. I hope he gave the notebook to you.
now listen one thing. Listen carefully. Mute yourself. Okay, I have muted you. Now listen very, very carefully. The fourth sentence is absolutely incorrect, because the reason is we can't use gave with have or has. Okay, have and has, they are used for present perfect tense. Okay, have and has, they are used for present perfect tense. So while you are writing present perfect tense, that time you have to use third form of verb, not second form of verb. Second form of verb is only used for simple past tense. So either ये sentence ऐसा होना चाहिए था, I hope he gave the notebook to you. Yeah, I hope he has given the notebook to me. इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पूछा था कि gave का यूज किस टेंस में होता है. तो ये टेंस वाइज इसका स्ट्रक्चर गलत है. तो ये सेंटेंस गलत होने के बाद भी ये सही आंसर है. ये का मजाक है भाई. सेंटेंस गलत है, आंसर सही है. So that is called fun. Okay, now You can unmute yourself, and if you have any doubt, tell me. And yes, share
Sir,
your
I
score.
got 5 out of 5.
Excellent, very good. Nimisha,
Sir, 4.5.
Sir, the test was very easy.
it was easy, it was, but we need to remember all
Sir,
these
I
things.
said was only.
Yeah,
Sir, I said was only.
yeah,
Sir,
it
4
was
and half.
easy. 4.5, Kushal Parak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, I gave myself remark also.
well, so send your answer sheet.
Okay,
You
sir.
know,
Sir,
making
I
it.
have sent to you.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Acha, one more thing. What about your holiday homework? If it is completed, then send me to this email ID only. Okay? In this,
Sir,
Okay. Sir, but
yes,
it was very difficult to make the video.
I don't think so. You know, TikTokers, they make videos so easy. So you have to make that kind of video.
Sir, but the video in TikTok is only of 15 seconds.
So 15, 15, 15. 4 videos, compile it. Done. 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. Yes, so I want the holiday homework. Okay, video you prepare, you take time, but rest of the part, okay, rest of the questions like vocabulary will, then PPT, I think, have I given any PPT? No.
No, sir.
I gave to prepare vocabulary will. So those you can send me today itself. Tirth Mehta, what he is
Okay,
doing.
sir.
Sonu is very.
Sir, I have making a PDF and send. No, sir, I am